Now, what she does? Oh wow, I can see the two moons of Mars. Two moons of Mars means Mars has two phases. Okay, they are telling that. See here, they have given the meaning also. Just like the Earth has a moon which goes around it. So Mars के पास भी ऐसे दो मून है जो उसके आजू बाजू घूमते हैं. Captain Jenna said eagerly to herself. She then landed the spacecraft on the planet's surface. As she looked out of the window, she became very excited about finally reaching Mars. She couldn't wait to start her work. Let me take my digging tools with me, she said. Then she opened the hatch door and got down from the spacecraft. Captain Jenna wore a special space suit which she had brought along with her. She also carried an air tank on her back to help her breathe, as she did not want to breathe the dangerous air on Mars. She looked at the surface of the planet and decided to walk far away from the spacecraft in search of rocks and soil. Mars is full of large rocky hills, she said. Now, what she said about Mars, she was very excited to see the Mars, and she finally landed with the spacecraft and opened the hatch door, and she came out of the spacecraft, and she had wore a special space suit like this, and she had taken a oxygen air tank with her to breathe properly, because Mars has very dangerous air, so she do not wanted to breathe that, and she took digging tools with her to dig go and dig the rocks and soil for the testing in the on the Earth. She wanted to give to the scientists, and she told that Mars is full of rocky hills. Okay, now let us see what she did. Captain Jenna's scientist friends had already told her about all good places on Mars. Already she was prepared where the good things are there, from where she could dig out the rocks. Now, I should go in search of the spots from where I can find the right rocks for the test. For the test, where are the right rocks? She was searching now, she said. Curio too went along with her to help her find the rocks. Now the robot also went with her. The scientists had asked Jenna to collect rocks and soil from the surface of Mars because they wanted to see if there was life on Mars long ago. Means Mars पे कोई रहता था पहले या नहीं. This was the test happening. They wanted to test that. Captain Jenna used her digging tool and collected a lot of rocks to perform the test on them. She then took the help of Curio to study the rocks and see if they could be taken back to the scientist on Earth. Now she told the robot, take these rocks and tell me about it, that this was a robot. Tell me about it, that is the rocks can be taken to the Earth or no. Curio helped Captain Jenna study the rocks. It also assisted her in digging a few more rocks from the soil. Finally, it took a picture. The robot took a picture and sent it to the Earth, to other astronauts and scientists to see it. At last, the time came for Captain Jenna and Curio to leave the red planet. Mars is also known as red planet. Now they left back home. They traveled past all the planets and stars. Captain Jenna's work was done, as she had brought back the rocks with which she had collected from her mission. Now she had brought the rocks from the Mars, and she told the scientists, now you all can study about it. She came back and told everyone about what she saw on Mars. The scientists thought that people had lived on Mars a long time ago. They even wondered if Mars was green and blue like Earth, at one time. Now they were thinking that if Mars was blue color or green color. All scientists congratulated Captain Jenna and told her what an excellent work she had done. That now all of them congratulated her and told that very well done. Well done, Captain Jenna. Soon it will be time for you to get ready for another trip. They said together. Now they said to Captain Jenna that now let's start with the another trip. Now this was all about the planet Mars. Okay, she went there and she collected some rocks and soil for testing that there was a life or no. Okay.